This is how to manage your digital sign devices in IDS6. Go to Monitor. You can select one or more devices. I'll select this one. You can reboot it from here. You can send it to sleep. And if it's asleep, you can wake it up. If you go to Settings, you'll see all the different settings. You can set up the volume. You can set it up to a specific level from what time to what time. Brightness, on and off time, standby, when you want it to download. If you're constantly making changes to your campaigns, select the time when you want the updates to be downloaded. You can change your password if you have a password on it, and you can go to Advanced for more options. Network is where you manage your network and connectivity. Upgrade if you have different packages that go to the digital signs. You can look at your reports. You can select multiple devices and download the report. If you go to Screen, that will take a screenshot of what's happening on the screen right now. And that's it.